Hello, class 3. Welcome back to your English class. This is your English second class, and again today we are present here with the chapter first. See, explanation part and all the exercises were finished, but few grammatical exercises were left. So let us do these exercises today. First one is use the following words to make sentences. Yes, my dear students, this is a very new activity. This is a new exercise for you because in your class 2, no exercise was given of this kind. So, first you please hear it properly. First one is walk. There is word given here in front of you, A, B, C, D. You can see walk, star, wander and roar. You have to use these words to make a sentence. जैसे आप हिंदी में करते हो, एक शब्द दिया जाता है और उसको यूज़ करके आप एक पूरा सेंटेंस बनाते हो, उसी तरह से इंग्लिश में भी इस एक वर्ड को लेके आपको एक पूरा सेंटेंस बनाना है जिसमें इसका जिक्र होना चाहिए, ये वर्ड उसमें होना चाहिए. This word should be there in that sentence. So you have to make this kind of a sentence. So our first word is walk. Now we are going to make a sentence. We should go for a morning walk. Yes, it is very necessary for all of you and for all of us to go for a morning walk regularly. Second, starve. Starve means suffer from hunger. The lion began to starve. In the story, you heard that lion began to starve because he fell into a ditch and he was not able to hunt and to eat or to run. So here we will write only few words. The lion began to starve. The third sentence now we are going to make, that is with the word wander. The three friends wandered in the forest. Then fourth one is roar. Lion roared at false friends. Yes, so in the story these sentences. So first one, we should go for a morning walk. The lion began to starve is second one. Third one is the three friends wandered in the forest. And the fourth one is lion roared at false friends. Now let us go to our next exercise. That is about the nouns. See, my dear students, there are many nouns that appear in the lesson. Write 6 of them. You know what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. So you have to sort out to see any 6 words. You can write any 6 word of your choice, but they should be from the chapter only. Here I have mentioned first one is lion, camel, jackal, wolf, king and friends. Yes. Now my dear students, this is now next exercise. Actually it is a part of the same exercise. Word is given here, you can see punctuation. Yes, my dear students, punctuation. What is punctuation? This is a new question for you, but you have to learn. See, punctuation is use of marks such as full stop, comma, question marks, exclamation mark, etc. in writing. Use of punctuation mark is necessary to write good English. See, my dear students, whenever we start a new sentence, we write our first letter capital. And at the end of our sentence, we mention a full stop. In your grammar class, I told you to write the question mark also if the sentence is asking a question. Yes, so here all these things are given downside in the lines. You can see, I will explain them later. Every sentence begin with a capital letter and end with a period or full stop. Then an interrogation or question mark is used at the end of a sentence when a question is asked. Here given example, who are you? See, at the end of this sentence, one spoon like mark is there. That is called the interrogation or question mark. Then a comma. is used to show a slight pause or break between words or group of words. Yes, we were writing dictation words in our notebook in previous class, and you just remember, and very often we used the comma. Yes, and here also one sentence is given, I like bread, butter and jam. So here between the bread and butter one mark is there, that is called comma. Then an exclamation mark is used to show strong feeling or emotions. Yes, like hello John, listen to me. See my dear students, to make our writing effectively or to show the meaning of our sentence properly, sometimes we uses few marks, like full stop, it looks like a dot, and question mark, it looks like a spoon, and comma, it looks like a very small dot but with a few, with a small tail, and the exclamation sentence like one and one dot downside. See my dear students, the use and the meaning of these all symbols are different. Full stop we use for at the end of our sentence. An interrogation or a question mark we use is as the at the end of our sentence when a direct question is asked. And the third one is comma, that we use is in between the words to give them a little break. Yes, and the exclamation mark is used to show strong feeling or emotions, means like if sometime we won the match, hooray, we won the match. After hooray we can use the exclamation mark, and in the same way if there is any sorrow feeling, that time also we can use, to show that sorrow feeling we can also use the exclamation mark. So in this way, my as we show the feelings with the words or with the expression, we can also show our feelings or our meaning of the words with these kind of symbols. So let me revise it again. First one is full stop, second one is interrogation mark or question mark, third one is comma, and fourth one is mark. Yes my dear students, now these few lines are given for you here. If you will read them again and again, you will be able to understand it very well. So this is an exercise, you can do it in your notebook, and means in a rough note, to increase your knowledge about these symbols. So my dear students, here two exercises are given. First one is of noun and second one is of punctuation. So now this is time to go to the next exercise, that is regarding this only. See question number 6. Here given an exercise, a student wrote the following sentences. Rewrite the sentences using capital letter, comma, full stop and interrogation mark where necessary. Yes, as the statement tells us, you can mention the comma, capital letter, full stop or any interrogation mark where necessary. So we will start reading our first line. Can you give me a bat, a ball and a cap? I want to play cricket today. Ravi and John are also going. Will also go with us. Hooray, I shall also go with you. See my dear students, in this two lines, so many mistakes are there. First letter of the sentence should be capital, that is not here. Then again you can see a bat and a ball and a cap. See my dear student, a bat and a ball, between these two words there should be a comma, but it is not here. Then a cap, this is also, you can see here should be a full stop. So all the mistakes which are given here in this paragraph, we can rewrite this paragraph here in the downside lines. So first you can see our first C is capital. Can you give me a bat? After a bat you can see a comma is given here. Then a ball and a cap. After a cap a full stop is here. Then this small I became capital I. Why? Because this is a new sentence. So I want to play cricket. One sentence ends here. So we will mention here a full stop. Then today Ravi and John are also going. See my dear student, first word of the new sentence is also a capital. So here you can see T is capital. Then the name of a proper noun. The name of any person is a proper noun, na? So the proper noun starts with the capital letter. So here R will be capital. Ravi and John are also going. Here again full stop. Then will you also go with us? This asks a direct question. So we will mention a question mark. Then you can see here it is given. This sentence also ends. Then starts a new sentence. Hooray, I shall also go with you. See this word hooray is showing the happiness feeling. So we mentioned here this exclamation mark. In this way we have rewrite it again, and this is now which we have mentioned here, that is the correct paragraph. So dear students, I suggest you to take the help of your parents to doing more exercises of this kind. So you just ask your parents to give you few sentences with mistakes, and you just try to find the mistakes and try to make them correct. Yes, so in this way you can revise this last exercise. One more interesting activity is given here. So let's go to that activity. Here it is. See my dear students, what this first picture shows. There is a girl loving the puppy. Always be kind to animals. She shows always be kind to animals. Second one is a boy teasing a puppy. So don't hurt them. We should tell this boy that the boy should not hurt the animals. Third picture shows us that we should not trap the birds or animals. See my dear students, like us, they are also the creature. They are also created by God, and there is another world of them also. So we should leave them freely. We should not tease them. Here given exercise, take turns to speak starting your sentence with the following words. First one, see, we should. Here another one is opposite side, we should not. So here we should, downside the we should, you have to write what you should do, and just opposite side you have to write what you should not do. So what you should do, you should love the animals, you should be kind to animals, you should take care of the animals. Yes my dear students. Then opposite side given what we should not. We should not be cruel to animals, we should not hurt them, and we should not trap them. Yes my dear students, in this way you can learn what you should do and what you should not do. You should be kind to animal, you should be careful to the animal, you should love them, and you should not be cruel to them, you should not hurt them, you should not trap them. My dear students, one more exercise is given. You can do if you wish to do. This is the exercise of making a poster. You can make a poster and you can write there, be kind to animal. Also you can draw the endangered animals pictures also. So my dear students, revise it. Do this all exercise in your book only. Need not to do in notebook. On Monday we will meet again with the grammar left chapter. Till then, stay safe and just be with the study. Thank you.